IngramSpark community, I'm Anne-Marie, and in this video, I'll take you on a tour of our website and show you where to find important information and tools to help you in your publishing journey. We'll start on the home page of our website, www.ingramspark.com. On this page, you can create an account or log into your account. Click on Plan Your Book and Print Books to view the products we offer. The products are inks, paper, and bindings. You can view the trim sizes we offer for each type of binding. The trim size is the measurement of the book. You will notice we list the trim sizes as width by height in inches and height by width in millimeters. Scroll down a little more to access our file creation guide, which explains how your files should be created for us to print. You can find out how much it costs to print your book by clicking the Resources tab and then Calculators. The Resources tab provides all the information and tools you may need. Use the Publisher Compensation Calculator to determine how much you will earn for every book sold through our global distribution network. Use the Print and Ship Calculator to determine the print cost and shipping charges for author copies or orders you place through your account for your book. You can use the Weight and Spine Width Calculator to help with the creation of your files and use the Cover Template Generator to lay out your cover files before submitting to us for printing. Scroll back up to the top of the page and click on the Ebook tab. If you're submitting files for an ebook, you can learn more here about our distribution network of online retailers who may sell your ebook. Here we list the cost of submitting an ebook: $49 for submitting a print book and ebook together, or $25 if submitting only an ebook. If you don't have an ebook, we can create one for you by using your print file and converting it to an EPUB file for 60 cents per page. If you plan to submit your own files for an ebook, our requirements are listed here. How to self-publish. Here you will find more information to help you with your self-publishing journey. This information we have gathered from many resources, including professional publishers, writers, editors, and others. Download a PDF copy of how to self-publish a book to learn more. How to design a book. If you need help designing a book, we have information about that for you too. Regarding distribution, you can access a list of our print and ebook distribution partners here. Further down the page is a list of all the markets we can distribute your book to, which includes our Global Connect markets. In the Global Connect markets, we have partnered with vetted and trusted printers who will fulfill orders for your books when purchased by someone in those markets. We have included some helpful information about the types of books and genres that sell best in those markets. For pricing, here you can find the cost for uploading a new book to IngramSpark. Back to the Resources tab, access a list of self-publishing experts. These are professionals we have vetted and trust to offer you the services you may need for self-publishing your book. While you're here, join our IngramSpark community and connect with other authors and publishers, many of whom are happy to chat and even provide suggestions or experiences. We have many blogs written and contributed to IngramSpark from some of the most well-known professionals in the publishing industry. With IngramSpark Academy, these are sessions you can do on your own to learn more about self-publishing. Even if you already feel knowledgeable about self-publishing, check out these sessions. You may learn something you didn't know. In downloads, we offer lots of guides you can download and read to help you in your publishing journey. How to self-publish, book design tips, help with online discoverability to help people find your book, and book marketing strategies. We also have podcasts with more helpful information for your listening pleasure. In the search field, you can type in a keyword or two to access all the information available containing those keywords. Clicking on Help under Resources or in the top right corner brings you to the same page of information. If you need to contact our support team, you can do that here. We have included a list of links to some of the most frequently requested information. Check those out and see if they answer your questions. At the bottom of this page, you can also access our blogs, courses, and podcasts. We hope you find this helpful. Be sure to check out our knowledge-based articles of information as well as our other videos. Thanks for watching and happy publishing!